Oh god. Okay, these rats are getting annoying. Down you go. Alright, finally. I am done with this place. Okay, I guess I'm going back. Don't need to use all of them, surely. Alrighty. Okay, where's the other cat statue if it's not here then? Is the other one here? I have no idea.
Great! The water is already coming back into the dry dock channel. Now you have to find the next cat statue. As far as we know, it's hidden in a cellar. Go to Pan. He'll give you a big hammer. With it, you can smash brittle floors.
Ooh, our third weapon, the hammer.
The cat statue. Come back to me.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll do it. How much more water do you think we need?
I don't know. When you've activated the cat statue, you'd better come back to me.
Oh, I'll
Alrighty.
come back to you, alright? You can count on that.
Okay, inappropriate.
Kay the Charmer.
Who, me? Nah.
Now leave. We've no time to lose.
Leave. You're making me really annoyed right now. Okay, so Pan is going to give me a hammer.
You know, I could never figure out what this hammer was for. Maybe you can use it for something.
Yeah, smashing people's faces in. You have a hammer. This is your third weapon. From now on, you are fully equipped. The hammer has some special abilities. First, you can destroy rocks and stone plates. Second, and more importantly, a hammer is the best weapon against armored opponents, but also keep your eyes open for upgrades. Alright, I am so ready to hammer the fuck out of things. Okay, I am ready. Alright, let's take on these fuckers. Are you ready to die, ratties? Ooh! Oh god. It's so slow. Oh god, so heavy. Oh, might as well wield an elephant into battle. Oh god, I much prefer the sword, really. Although there is a certain amount of satisfaction that comes from smashing rats with a hammer. You can't block all of these. Oh god, down he goes. Oh, so I think I'll use this only for certain situations. I'm going this way.
A guide to 7th century pottery. Yawn. Nothing interesting there.
Yeah, I can break pottery. That's about the best I can do. All right, old pottery. A place to smash things. Works for me. Ooh. My armor's about to run out, but I'll be returning to Panda Village soon anyway. I think once I get to this next statue, I will return to Panda Senpai Village and then... the hideout, I mean, and then I'll probably end the stream there. I've been going for a long time, you see. Alright. Smash the bots! Oh, someone's gonna sue me. Oh, here we go. Okay. There we go. Alright. What am I looking for down here? Well, first of all, I want my sword back. Not a lot going on here. Oh, plenty of pots to break, though. Oh, you can't break these ones. Lame. The only pots you can't break. Oh, well, I guess you can't break everything. This ain't no Red Faction 2, I guess. Or should I say Red Faction 3? I think the third one probably had the most destructible environment. Or maybe the first one even, I don't know. I can't decide. There wasn't a whole lot of destroying shit in the second one, now that I think about it.
Curse these foul rats and gorillas. They won't even let me go to my house. They say the passage is closed, all the way up to the king's palace. Now how should I get home?
Oh.
Be careful, they won't let you pass either.
Oh,
Hopefully
what's
the
going on back
avalanche
there?
tear them up
There's a
good.
lot of stuff being thrown around. Well, alright. I'm going down there. Oh, barrels. Shit. Okay. Alright, I'll deal with the barrels. It's alright. Hello, welcome to Relative Safety. Population no one. Alright, I'm fine. I survived the barrels. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, I do not want to have to go through that again. Okay, and checkpoint. Let's see what's up here, if anything. Oh, monkey fuckers. Alright. Smash things. My armor's going west. Going right off the end of the building. Oh god. Yeah, you just try it, monkeys. Oh god, explosion barrels. And that's it for them damn gorillas. And a chest appears. That makes sense to me. Kill fuckers, get treasure. Yeah, alright, I'm fine with that. Yeah. Wait, I've still got my armor too. Yes, new armor! Da-da-da. Hey, I don't have to pay for it. Free armors! Okay, well, things are going well so far. Oh! Okie dokie. No, we seem to be on track right now. Oh god, gotta wrap up the stream. Let's just finish this off. Do I have a key? I don't think I have a key for that door yet. Sneaky. Hiding a panda behind bamboo, he'll just eat his way out.
I thought nobody would ever find and free me. This is a very hidden place, because the rats blocked this place long time ago to secure the passageway to the king's palace.
Oh well, off goes Panda Senpai. We can also cut our way through here as well, if we wanna. And I do. Okay, oh. Cat statue. An ancient cat ancestor statue. So many cat ancestors, so little time. Oh, more ratties. Yes, you just try it, rat features. Down you go. Alright, full health, full armor, and full magic. Things are looking good. Alrighty. Nothing left to do here except smash our way down. Alright, abandoned storage room. What to find in here? Oh, no locusts. No thank you. Okay, oh. Camera, please. Oh well, I found you. What are you? Treasure. I have so much treasure and money, it's just ridiculous. I'll never be able to spend it all. Unless I just decide to splurge on armor every time I take a hit. Yes, cat statue. Gotcha. And there we go. We can finally cross the bridge. Blah. And that is it, I think. I think that's everything. I like this place. It's very nice. Oh no. Yeah. That's right. Charge me, assholes. I've only killed one of yous. Ow! Oh god. Explosions. Okay, I'll be fine. I've still got magic. Oh, I see. Throws a bomb at you. Okay. Them grenadiers have to go. Where? Oh my god. Oh god. Stop exploding my face up, please. There we go. That's the end of you, and I still got my armor on. Just very damaged, that's all. Okay. Doing well. We haven't used too many potions. We haven't died many times either, so go us, I guess. There's the last cat statue, and I guess I'll leave the stream there. I'll return to Old Panda Village, or Panda Hideout, whatever you want to call it. I mean, this is Panda Village in general, I imagine. Okay. There's a key that's needed for that door, and we'll figure all that stuff out next time, I'm sure. But let's go back to the Avalanche Hideout. Talk to Barret some more. Alright. Doing pretty good. Now we just have to make our way back through here. Ooh. Through the old pottery house. Do 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 do. Oh my god, so much wind. But now it's hammer time. I guess now we've got all our weapons and everything's dandy. Hopefully I haven't missed out any upgrades for my claws, because I've gotten 2 sword upgrades and nothing for the claws, which is unfortunate. Go away. Yes, I tricked you all into thinking that I wasn't going to attack. Ooh! Got you, ratty. That's right, you block all day, you die. Okay, and there should be one more bastard there who got himself stuck. Alright, that was the last ratty death for now. Still got my combo going, so why not? Yes! Alright, we made it. Jesus. Oh god, I will say hello to Cat Waifu. And then we'll end the stream.
Great! We almost got it. Now, as far as we know, the 3rd cat statue is
Oh, there's
in
a 3rd
city
one.
across the channel.
But the drawbridge is closed.
Right. Unfortunately, we currently don't know how to reach the other side.
Oh.
But what we have learned, if we want to reach Wallow in one piece, we need a special nautical chart to navigate across the shallow water in front of the volcano. We think the map is hidden in the ancient
Wait, a
dungeons of
volcano?
the King's
Jesus.
Palace.
Ancient dungeons?
Oh, that
They're
sounds
hidden
like
under
work.
the King's Palace, and they are huge. This is the place where our kings are buried.
I see. How can I find these ancient dungeons?
Go to Pan. He'll give you a key and some information to find the entrance to the King's Palace. In the
Alrighty.
meantime, we will find out how to lower the bridge.
Great. See you soon.
See you soon indeed. Find the 3 cat statues of the dry dock and find the nautical chart and bring it to Suling. Which we will do next time, I think. Because I am more than done with this. Oh my god. But hey, we've saved, everything's dandy, everything's all Panda Senpai, contingency plan. Let's see, get riches, get bitches, question mark, profit. Alright. But no, we are certainly done here, I think. We done good.
Go to Pan. He will give you a key. And Kay, be careful.
Alright, well, I'll grab this key, and then we'll end the stream. Hello.
Here's the key to the section of the city leading to the King's Palace.
Ooh.
The gate is near the big tower. Be on guard.
I will. Okay.
Thanks. And don't worry. I'll give them what they deserve.
Oh, fuck them up. There. Found the key. And now you can go in that building. Alright. Well, you know what? We did so well. I guess we'll just leave it there for now. I'll get that chart some other time. But hey, we did good. There you have it. Oh, so I finally got around to getting this done. I say finally, I mean, the game's only been out for a couple of months, but I'm glad I managed to get this. And yes, things are looking good. But that's it for Platforming September. We did great there. You know, next week it's a new month and new things. Halloween stuff and all kinds of things, you know. Just never know what'll happen. Da-da-da. Oh my god, well, I'll have a look at some of my extras, why not? We got races and things. Oh my god, you can replay these races if you want to, which I don't. Oh, there are only 2 other races. One of them might be the dragon race, I don't know. Oh my god. Models, there's Uncle Shen. Trigger animation. Do things. Apparently that's the only one we have. Oh my god, well, we have to keep unlocking things, I guess. Don't worry, Cat Village, we'll save yous. But oh well. There you go, there you have it, The Legend of Kay Anniversary, a game no one asked for, and yet here it is. Oh my god, the remastered of a PlayStation 2 classic, and you know what, I'd give it a good 7 out of 10. It was okay. Not quite Pac-Man, that was a good 8 out of 10, but, you know, still very solid. Definitely above average. It hasn't aged terribly well. I wish they'd changed the camera controls a bit, but other than that, pretty solid game. I don't mind it. And I will be returning to this to finish it off at some other point. I'll be doing some catch-up stuff, probably around about December, or I don't know. Hard to know for sure. Leading up till Christmas, I'll have some time. Well, there you have it. That was The Legend of Kay Anniversary. Thank you all for joining me, and I will see you all next time, so stay catty, folks.